Wallop. Now repeat after me. Wallop. Wallop. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. Wallop is a slang term that means to hit something or someone with great force or to deliver a powerful blow. It can also be used more generally to describe something that has a strong or intense impact, either physically or emotionally. Think of it like this. If something packs a punch, whether it's a physical hit or a strong emotional effect, it's delivering a wallop. In a sentence, he gave the punching bag a hard wallop, making it swing back and forth. Here, wallop refers to hitting the bag with significant force. Let's try another example. The movie's twist ending really packs a wallop, leaving the audience in shock. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using wallop. Synonyms. Some related terms for wallop are smack, a quick, forceful hit; whack, a hard, sharp blow or strike. Antonyms. The opposite of wallop would be tap, a light or gentle hit; graze, a slight touch or scrape. Part of speech. Wallop is a verb referring to the act of hitting something with force, but it can also be used as a noun to describe a powerful impact. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.